Silver daily forecast for February 20th by FX Empire. Silver markets pulled back a little bit on Friday, but 18 continues to offer a little bit of buying pressure. Now, the fact that 18 holds support, of course, has caught my attention, but really that's not what really gets my attention in this market. It's this right here. It's the 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages trying to cross. And in fact, the 100-day is crossing the 200 now, and then the red 50 looks like it's ready to do the same. Once it does, by most metrics, people would consider that a trend change. And these are by far the most important daily moving averages. If that's the case, it should send this market much higher over the longer term. That doesn't mean it's going to be an easy move, but certainly would have a lot of longer-term buyers interested. So I think that the market would probably go to 1850, which is this high over here, basically, and then possibly as high as $20. Silver is going to be very volatile. It's not the easiest market in the world to trade. If you have a large enough account, then you can do the futures markets, but if not, CFDs and options may be a possibility. Binaries are going to be a problem here, though, because the short-term nature of binaries typically don't allow for the larger moves.